Out. Perfect. Just relax. All I'm going to do now is cut the plastic really quick. Now we're going to get your jewelry in, okay? Almost done. How you doing?
Not sure.
Alright, just relax. Breathe in and breathe out. And you work yours. Super.
Okay. Oh!
It just keep laying down.
I finally did it after 10 years. My eyes are so.
Hey, no, you can lay down for a minute. Here, I'll get you a tissue for your eyes.
Oh.
Here you go. That's for your eyes. How you doing? Okay.
Yeah, good.
I just gotta wipe that and mark off you, okay?